Taha tu Maya e ngā nguru nei. The purpose of a haka is to rally together for a common purpose. Haka is traditionally a war dance. Today we use it to tautoko or to support. It was a cool journey because we got our team together and we talked about what we're trying to accomplish as a company. If I think of our team, we all have a different purpose. Once we came together and formed this haka and we came up with the words and everyone put their own individual spin into it, it made it our own. That's where the wairoa comes from. It comes through from what you personally want to share with the world. So we need to stand tall and proud, trying to share our purpose as a company. It's been very rewarding. He whakakitenga. So remember the words was, the vision of one became the vision of many. So that's why we have the hand at the eyes. Knowledge of yesterday is changing today. Okay, that's what it means. This is the challenge part, eh? So who's going to teach our children? The next one, who will empower our children? Who will open the pathways to the future? We're going to do that. Of course, we express our message through word, but the actions are there to support the words. So everything that we're saying has a specific action and it's been thought through. For people that don't usually do the haka, it's very different for other cultures, but that's where the importance of the message comes in. And if it's personal to you, you're able to express that freely through the actions.
I feel just like so much emotion, or just feel like that's so powerful.
As a remote worker, it's been nice to just have everybody come together multiple times a week and just really engage on something quite significant together.
One of the main purposes was to help unify our team. Well, not everyone in our company is Maori. We have Filipino, American, British, and obviously New Zealand European. Through the process, we've been not only able to learn more about Maori culture, but it's also strengthened our company culture.
In the beginning, I couldn't get my head around the words and couldn't grasp it. Because in the Philippines, our performances are a lot different. But then, you know, understanding the meaning of each line of the haka, it made it easier for me to, you know, to deliver it and do the actions and memorize it.
It's been interesting. It's a bit out of my comfort zone. But it's been good, getting a bit to know about the culture and trying out something I never thought I would do.
And crossover, then we're going down, picking up that basket, and we're going to fill it with knowledge. So pick it up, cross again, and then we're pulling that knowledge down and we're filling that basket up.
I've learnt hakas before, but I've never actually been involved from the beginning, so it really makes a big difference being involved in that whole process.
I've always been around Maori culture and haka. It's something that I haven't necessarily participated in as much as I probably could have growing up, and so to be able to do it with others in the company has helped me to feel closer to family culture.
It's been mostly just really fun to sort of learn stuff. I'm also trying to learn te reo, so it's been really helpful for me in my mahi practice, so I'm so uncoordinated though, so it's been a bit of a struggle getting the moves right,
It's given us something to consistently work on together as a group because it's cultural. It's kind of helped us find some more common ground on a personal level.
So for me, when I think about why our company Haka is important, is I think it is bonding. I think it's unity for us as we go forward. You know, it's a way for us to be able to express our purpose and belief.
And to feel that kind of unity and to feel I guess those bonds and feel like a family and a company. The haka and the Maori culture has helped us feel that here in the workplace, which is something, you know, very unique.
From the past, representing the past, to the present, into the future. Cool? We're pointing at that challenge. Who's gonna pick it up? We're gonna do it, eh? So on that last one, we pick it up, and then we're moving forward. Because we're a startup company, we still need to hold our ground, and we have an awesome product that can help a lot of people. So to suggest that we started simply from humble beginnings, we want to acknowledge that and where we came from. So that's why we're moving across. This represents our journey, and then we go low because we started at the bottom, and then we made the whare that we're in now. Okay? Yeah, now we're here. That's right. Making it personal. To be able to hit those feelings that you have is very important in a haka. And to be able to get the team to have that input makes it personal when they perform it. And it elevates it to another level because it's personal to them. You know, we all may not be Maori, we're all different cultures, come from different parts of the world, but to be able to come together and do this as a team and to share a specific message has been awesome.
I want to thank all of you for participating in this. You know, we've worked hard. We started this project last year and we're here now. We've been practicing for 4 months and this is the day we're going to do it. Remember the words, this haka is about us as a team and what we're trying to accomplish. So give it your all, and that shows your passion for the company and for each of us working together for a common goal. So go hard, this is it, and we're going to do it. Cool? Kia ora.